Hello children, welcome back to the next concept of this first lesson, tracing changes through 1000 years, which we already dealt in the last section. So the concepts which we are taking in this: new social and political groups, development, in what way the new social and political groups have been taken place, and about the Rajaputs and about the extension of agriculture, how it was taken in the country, and the region and the empire. These concepts we are going to take in this class. So children, here the new social and political groups, if you compare this from ancient period to medieval period, as I already said that it was a very big task and challenge for the historians to give the information, because as it's a big task and big developments have been taken in the medieval period. Between 700 and 1750, a lot of technology has been improved. So what are the instances or examples? For example, here Persian wheel. It was invented in the medieval period. So in that, when the Persian wheel was invented, there was a drastic change has come in the process of the agriculture. In the same way, spinning wheel also established, or it was also invented, and it has also brought a great change for making the cloth and textile industry. And in the same way, you may take so many more changes, like for example, warfield. In the warfields, when the equipments and war equipments have also been developed. For example, here firearms also took place. In this way, not only regarding this, technology has also been improved, because based on the views of the people, ideas of the people, the food structure was also in a maximum changed a lot. For example, here people started to use potatoes and chilies and corns and other beverages. What are the beverages you may take? Apart from the water, whatever you drink will call beverages. Maybe tea, making of the tea. Nowadays we are using tea and coffee, like Bournvita. Like the Bournvitas are new modern period it is belonged. But in the stage of the medieval period, these beverages also, like tea and coffee, people started to use the leaves, tea leaves and coffee leaves, making the tea and coffee beverages. All these changes have been occurred in the medieval period. So it was a very big task for the historians to explain about this medieval period. So development of the technology, even the socially, politically and economic, and even economic means like finance wise, politically that means ruling, based on these rulings, and even social culture regarding culture, tradition and the languages, and even like society wise. So many changes and cultural changes also have been taken place in the medieval period. Okay, so this is about how these new social and political groups have been formed because of these great changes here, and how the changes gradually. Political groups are nothing but, for example, here you may know number of dynasties in the 6th class. You may know about Ashoka, you may know Harshvardhana, you may know dynasties like Chola dynasty, and here you may take like Gupta's dynasty. And if you take these Cholas and Rajaputs, and you may take Delhi Sultanates, and you may take Mughal period, so you will come to know something more about these all dynasties in this class. But here Rajaputs, who have belonged to that, they had actually the time period belonged to them 8th century to 14th century. So from 8th century to 14th century, these people, these Rajaputs, were very, very, very prominent rulers in those days, in the medieval period, because their character is very great values, very great distinctive. They are nothing but very great brave people, and wherever they wanted to invade, then in Delhi immediately the other people used to flee away. That means once they had announced their announcement invading on the other regions, the other people used to scare. Okay, so they used to get scared. So in this way, the Rajputs were very, very important and prominent the rulers in the medieval period. And Rajputs, actually the meaning of Rajputs means Raja, Rajputra. that means they are the son of rulers. Rajaputs, nothing but the meaning is son of rulers. So in this way, the Rajaputs, the character is very different to the others in the medieval period. And actually Kshatriyas, these Rajaputs are belong to the Kshatriya caste. That means sub-castes are there. Some people belong to the Kshatriyas. They used to rule the kingdoms. And in the same way here, the people who are working as not only these chieftains, not only the rulers, you may take some of the commanders, you may take some of the army related, some designated people are there, and you may take some other people like scribes are there, or you may take some people who are writing that the people who are working like Marathis, Jats, and you may take Sikhs, and you may take other Ahoms. So like all these people, they are being appointed as the scribes in the place of the rulers, at the place of the rulers. So the rulers used to appoint them, that who are belong to this Rajaput dynasty, and that who are belong to this Kshatriya's clan. Okay, so that's why the Kshatriya also has become a prominent religion in those days, because the Rajaputs were belong to only that they claimed that they are belong to the Kshatriyas. So in the 6th centuries, from 8th century to 14th century, this Rajaput's image was totally, it was extraordinary valors and extraordinary maximum. They are loyal to the ruler, okay, and very faithful to the rulers. That is a very great character of this Rajaputs. So that the Rajaputs used to appoint even the army people and commanders and the chieftains, and maximum the people who are in high level, and they are all belong to the Rajaputs clan only. Okay, and even when the scribes were appointed, these Rajaput, this clan Kshatriyas related, when the people were appointed, even you may, as I said already, as Ahoms, or you may take like Marathas and Jats, like these people and Sikhs, these people, once they had been appointed as the scribes, they would like to this time period they wanted to use to become a politically strengthened. So like this, these people had used this time period to politically develop their economically to develop their situations. Okay, so this is about that. And extension of the agriculture. So what are the other conditions took place in that medieval period? Well, maximum larger part of our subcontinent was under control of the forest in the initial time, in the ancient period. But as the time going on, in the medieval period, the people had started to cultivate. Already you know that in the 6th class, as I said that. So when the people wanted to cultivate and agricultural system has been improved, then deforestation took place, cutting of the trees and enlarging and extending the agricultural system has been started by the people. So when this extension of the agriculture took place, then when the forest areas was cut, then the people who are living in the forest, they used to migrate to the other regions. So when they are migrating to the other regions, earlier they would have depended only on the forest product, but when they are vacating the forest, they had taken the different occupations. Some people had settled like agriculturists, formed using the some lands and tilling the lands. So like that, some people were settled there. Some people had settled like cattle rearing people. People had taken the rearing cattle and leading their life. And some people had become as artisans. Some people have started their life by becoming as artisans, because if they have any art like weaving the clothes, or making the baskets, or making the potteries, like the different the things what do they know very well, they had started to do on those things. So like that, they used to start different occupations have been taken place in the society. Then the jati has been established. Jati is nothing but a particular the things which were done, and a particular system and a tradition was followed by the number of the people, then it is nothing but called one jati, because the same culture and same tradition and the same occupation, when it was occupied, when it was maintained by a number of the groups, then the jati system has been established. When these jatis has been established, framing their culture and rules and policies, in what way they have to lead that, and that was maintained by entire the jati people systematically. okay, and unitedly. And these jati, actually, when in the villages number of jatis are there, but these jatis are following their own tradition and culture, but the village policies also must be followed by them. And who are making these policies in the jatis means the people who are elders. Okay, here jati panchayats were also established, were also conducted there, and in these jatis panchayats, the elders used to say some things. You have to follow this, you have to follow this rule, and we have to follow this condition. Like that, they had framed some policies to maintain the livelihood. So, because of this, the jatis had been formed, and they are obeyed to the rules of the village. Because in the village, the number of jatis were existed on. So, this is about this extending of the agriculture, and under this how the jatis were formed. And after this concept, reason and the empire. Reason and the empire, as already I said that there are number of in our subcontinent, in our India, it was not ruled by a single person. Okay, you are very familiar with this thing. So number of regions were occupied, number of regions were ruled by number of the rulers. For example, in the books and poem, and according to the books of the poets, one poet has written about Ghiyasuddin Balban. So Balban, actually he is belonged to the Delhi dynasty, it's a slave dynasty. And what about he was written in what way? He was an extraordinary emperor, he was an extraordinary ruler, and he had ruled and extended his kingdom from here West Bengal is there in the east side, from Bengal in the east side to Ghazni in the Afghanistan, which is in the west side. The entire part was conquered by this Ghiyasuddin Balban, including South India. So here in this Balban dynasty, in this Balban ruling, even Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, even Andhra, all these state people and all these regional people, they are very bound to this, and they used to fled away from this in front of his army people. They used to run away in the battlefield. So like this, about this Balban, into extraordinary writings were took place. And you may take a number of dynasties ruled. For example, here Khalji dynasty is there, Tughlaq dynasty, Muhammad bin Tughlaq also ruled very well. Cholas people ruled our country for more period. And after Delhi Sultanates, under Delhi 5 dynasties ruled: Slave dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Khalji dynasty, even Lodi dynasty. Okay, and here all dynasties are ruled. After that, Mughal people had arrived. So in these Mughal emperors also, they had ruled for the long period to our country, to the subcontinent. But you may come to the conclusion that even though great warriors and great extraordinary personalities ruled this our subcontinent, but they are not constant forever. Okay, they are not constant forever, and they are limited for centuries, for some hundreds of years. And after that, it has been changed by the number of other rulers. For example, what is the example for this? Mughal empirism is there. At the time of Babur, Mughal empirism was started in our country, but after that, after Aurangzeb, the merit of this Mughal empirism has started to decrease. Okay, so the Mughal empirism started to decrease, and after that it was also vanished because of the British's ruling was started in our country. So in this way, the number of the people who had ruled our country, they had left their tradition and culture and languages and the way they are ruling on, and the way they are taking the process of managing of the currency, managing of the revenue, and all these, in what way they had approached towards the people, they had left their legacies to the next generation. So at present, what each and every state they are ruling on, based on the prime policies of the earlier rulers by which that regions were ruled. So the rulers which places were ruled by them, they left some legacies to the next generation. So the next generation had followed the policies and framed by the earlier the rulers. So in this way, in our subcontinent, there are number of regions are there with a number of traditions, number of cultures, even languages, and even a number of approaches we may take in our country. So that only it is also called subcontinent. It is equal to the continent, because a continent having number of countries, which country, every country having its own language, culture and tradition. But our India is a one country, but different states are having different cultures and traditions and languages, so that our country is compared with one continent, so that it is called, our country is called a subcontinent. It is just like a continent, even it is a country. Understand, children? This is the background of on some of the concepts of this, how the changes have been occurred in the 1700 to 1750. In these 1000 years of the age of the period, what were the conditions took place, in what way the developmental activities have been taken regarding ruling, regarding some of the food, because of based on the ideas of the people, how the food structure has been changed, how the land, uses of the land also, earlier it was in the form of the forest, after that they have been changed as the farms, agricultural farms. So like these occupations have been started. So at the time of this formation of these peasants, the peasants have started to give their rewards and awards to the loyal people in the form of they used to pay some tax amount also. In addition to the tax amount, some of the gifts were also given to the lords. Maybe in the form of the grains, or maybe in the form of the production, what did they produce. They started to give to the heads or lords, or to the rulers, or to the chieftains. So in this way, when the people had started, there was a differentiation. Some of the people are high and some of the people are who are followers and who are making to follow them. So like that, some differences, economical conditions were also differentiated in the country. Okay, so these are the things we had discussed in this class. Okay, you understand very well, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me undoubtedly. Okay, children, make sure to listen the class very well in silent mode within the room, and stay with the online classes, and you will get more knowledge. Okay, bye, take care.